Thank you everyone for coming. I know it's crummy weather. Thank you for participating. Thank you to everyone who's played a role in making this happen.
What a milestone for Hope Ignites Chicago. Today we are celebrating the grand reopening of 823 Gatfield.
Because of the support of donors, partners, staff, and volunteers, scholars get a chance to grow, follow their dreams, create new memories in this newly wonderful house at 823 Gatfield.
We had to raise significant funds, and I am thrilled to share that we're within an inch of our Phase 1 goal, which is $5.4 million. I never thought I'd be able to say that. And we're launching into Phase 2, which will provide landscaping. We'd love to put a sport court in and upgrades to 820. At Hope Ignites Chicago, our scholars, collegians, and alums are front and center. The scholars that you see here tonight are the ones who are moving in this weekend.